Good morning, Bill Risser with Chicago Title. Yesterday I was signing a seller here in the office, and it got to the point where I had to ask a few questions to determine whether we had to issue a 1099 to report the proceeds of the sale to the IRS. The seller was concerned and wanted to know why we were asking these questions, and I said basically it's federal law. We have to ask you a series of questions, 4 questions actually, and the answers to these questions determine whether we have to issue a 1099 or whether the transaction is exempt from reporting under a 1099. They're basic questions. Did you own the property 2 of the last 5 years? Did you run a business from the property? Was it ever used for rental purposes? And did it sell for more than $250,000 if you're a single individual, or did it sell for more than $500,000 if for a married couple? Basic questions. There's also a couple referring to whether a 1031 exchange was used to acquire the property. Bottom line is, if it's a primary residence and you've been there at least 2 years, sells for under the price range, we're not going to have to report the sale via a 1099 to the IRS. However, if it's an investment property, or if the sales price is higher, or if you've used it as a rental in the past, we're required by law to submit a 1099 not only to the IRS but to the seller as well in January when all the other tax forms arrive. So it's a question we have to ask every seller. We were surprised, every now and then I'm surprised when sellers get upset about this document, but the bottom line is we have to follow the law here. So if you have any other questions about the 1099 requirements or anything else title or escrow related, please leave them below in the comments. Or as always, you can email me at billrisser@gmail.com. Go out and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.